If you want a user-friendly investment interface with diversified crypto investment products for users in their partner ecosystem, then CoinBasket is for you. Its engine serves as a trustworthy fiduciary, compiling complex crypto data, analyzing it in light of the current market trends, past performance, and valuation, and then creating diversified crypto baskets that are ready to invest and fit a person's personal risk tolerance, spending capacity, and investment philosophy. And here's the fun part. If you don't have a crypto exchange account, but you also want a zero-risk demo trading in cryptocurrency, CoinBasket is the best choice you will ever have. Now, you may ask, why did CoinBasket decide to launch this product? Since there is a lot of anxiety, uncertainty, and doubt now prevalent in the market, and experienced investors are hesitant to put their actual money into cryptocurrencies. Investors and traders have a lot of questions like, do I have enough knowledge to trade? Is the volatility worth the risk? What if it's too expensive for me? What if I can't understand what my broker is saying? The 20,000 cryptocurrencies that are listed on 800 different exchanges across the world are a mystery to retail investors. Investors are having a difficult time distinguishing between legitimate cryptocurrency businesses and Ponzi schemes. Analyzing complex crypto market data and filtering investable crypto projects is next to impossible for beginners and even some experts. While some time management tips can help reduce the time investment required for each project, it still comes down to the individual investor spending their time wisely when it comes to researching their options. And how does this fix the problem? Well, retail investors are able to get a start on their crypto investing adventure with risk-free sample trading in cryptocurrencies, which CoinBasket will make available to them through the provision of a free demo account that is preloaded with reward coins. Here at CoinBasket, there are no surprise. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a demo trading account and what it has. 1. There is zero financial risk. No crypto exchange is required for the demo mode either. The demo mode gives you real-time crypto market data. You are able to also learn diversified crypto investing and portfolio rebalancing. You will also receive reward coins at multiple stages throughout the app. It also allows you to switch between live and demo trading whenever you want. And of course, you can convert the reward coins into real crypto when you switch to live to trade. You may get a clear picture of how to arrange your cash and make better decisions for long-term investments by using the CoinBasket demo trading platform. On this platform, you may quickly transition to real trading once you are prepared and certain. You'll be up and running quickly thanks to CoinBasket's seamless onboarding procedure. This video will give you some basics of trading in the crypto world via our demo trading platform. So you can join the growing crypto trading platform, and guess what? No KYC is required. A free and risk-free approach to make sure you are at ease and confident while evaluating your abilities in the crypto market is to use a demo trading account from anywhere across the globe. The procedure is easy. Choose the basket you want, then spend your 1,000 coins to buy other baskets. There are no restrictions, and you may access demo accounts with minimal commissions at any time. It is absolutely essential to know that every single user possesses full control of his account. This includes leveraging the trading panel for selecting different spreads, placing and closing trades, defining all terms and conditions, and converting their demo coins into real ones in their live accounts. Asking the correct question is more important than having the right answer. And the appropriate question to ask is, can you learn about crypto trading without losing money? And as we mentioned, there is a way. At CoinBasket, they will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to make informed trading decisions in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Lastly, let's find out how CoinBasket provides these tools to end-to-end crypto trading services, live desk-style demo trading that mimics real trading experience, and a variety of ways to monitor and analyze your cryptocurrency portfolio. So here's how the demo account works. 1. You create an account, register on KoinBasket.com or on the mobile app with your email. 2. You start trading. Use your demo account to start trading cryptocurrencies. 3. Understanding the CoinBasket trading platform. This demo trading account is for those who want to understand the logic and workings of the CoinBasket trading platform. Sign up for an account with CoinBasket and receive 1,000 coins added to your demo account instantly. 4. You'll be able to build your portfolio. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies using your demo trading account to create a well-rounded portfolio. And 5. Get experience. With your demo trading account, you can try out new strategies and learn how the market works without the risk of losing any real money. So the link is going to be in the description, so be sure to go check it out.